guys, coffee break.
Welcome to the 3H Cafe. We're excited to share our daily specials with you.
In Beijmo, we've been learning a lot about concepts and how they tie our learning together.
Today our special is how the concept of form and function works together to help deepen our understanding of the inquiry, language and the arts.
The concept of form asks, what is it like?
Like this mug, for example. It's round with a handle and it's made of hard material.
The concept of function asks, how does it work?
A mug is used for drinking or holding small objects. For drinking, you hold the handle and drink with your mouth.
In our current unit of the inquiry, our central ideas, we can express our thoughts and feelings through poetry and song.
Transdisciplinary theme is how we express ourselves.
We've explored the concepts of form and function by learning about forms of poetry and song and how other writers use poetry and song to express themselves and how we can use poetry and song to express ourselves.
In addition to discussing the messages in poetry and song, we've been reading and writing poems to express our thoughts and feelings.
Do all poems have to rhyme?
I don't know.
Let's go ask the table.
Do all poems have to rhyme?
Not all poems have to rhyme, but here are some that do. We're from children. We children are sweet. We children are nice.
We always say please.
At least once, maybe twice.
Our voices are gentle, like a beautiful song.
If you think this